Hello, in this video I'll show you how to get back deleted Instagram accounts. So firstly I'm going to delete my Instagram account and then I will show you how to get it back. So all you have to do is go to Instagram, then click on your profile at the bottom right corner, then click on the three lines at the top right, go to settings and privacy, go to account center, click on personal details, click on account ownership and control, choose deletion and deactivation, choose your Instagram account. Now over here, just simply choose deletion. Then click on confirm. Then just simply choose something else. Then click on continue. Now just simply enter your password. And after that, click on continue. Now over here, as you can see, the account will be permanently deleted by 12th Feb 24. So about 1 month from now, the account will be permanently gone. But before that time period, if I need to get my account back, all I need to do is just simply log back into my account and I will have my account back. So let me give you an example. If I delete my account right now, so wait for a few seconds over here, then you will be automatically logged out. Now all you have to do is again, click on continue. Then enter your ID and password. And then just simply try to log back in. And after that, you will get an option like this, keep account or back to login. So what you will do is click on keep account. And then you will get your account back. So wait for a few seconds over here. And then click on save and your account is back. But in any case, if you have deleted your account and it has been more than 30 days, so in that case, what you have to do is you have to contact the support team of Instagram. So it's a very easy process. All you need to do is just simply go to a browser and just simply search for recover Instagram account. Then just simply scroll down and click on Instagram Help Center. So right over here, you can just simply scroll down and you will find the option of delete your account. Click on this option. And then you simply choose delete your Instagram account. And right over here, they will give you a few steps that you can try to apply to get back your account. So you will have the information right over here. And if it is still not working, all you need to do is just simply click on contact us. And then simply contact the support team directly. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.